Anytron Digital Print Pro. SilverPET is a popular choice for electrical and electronic products due to its high gloss and resistance to water. The adhesive surface is invisible, tear-resistant, and waterproof, making it commonly used in electronics, home appliances, and household goods. With Anytron AnyJet 2, you can quickly create small quantities of SilverPET labels in customized designs and shapes that suit your product. It also allows for easy insertion of variable data printing, such as barcodes and QR codes, frequently used in electronic device labeling through the AnyFlow software. The AnyJet 2 has a laminating function, enabling you to coat the label in one step without requiring a separate device. Additionally, its automatic job-changing module cuts the label according to the design, allowing for production of labels in various sizes and shapes on one roll. AnyJet 2 enables you to produce your product labels without outsourcing or inventory management. With the Anytron AnyJet 2, you have a single machine that can handle a wide range of electrical and electronic labels from printing to cutting. It is time to bring your label printing in-house. If you have any questions regarding the Anytron inline label press, please do not hesitate to contact us.